Positive thinking is more than just a good feeling. It is a powerful tool that can change the way you live your life. When you think positively, you attract good things and create better opportunities. Our mind is very strong. It affects our emotions, behavior, and even physical health. If you focus on negative thoughts, you will feel stressed, unhappy, and less motivated. But if you choose to think positively, you will feel more confident, hopeful, and ready to face challenges. Positive thinking helps you see problems as chances to learn and grow. Instead of giving up, you try to find solutions. This mindset helps you improve your skills and reach your goals. One important thing about positive thinking is self-talk. Self-talk is the conversation you have inside your mind. If your self-talk is negative, you might say things like, "I can't do this," or "I will fail." But if you change your self-talk to positive words like, "I can try my best," or "I will succeed," you begin to believe in yourself more. Positive thinking also improves your health. Studies show that people who think positively have lower stress levels, better immune systems, and even live longer. When your mind is calm and positive, your body feels better too. To practice positive thinking, start by noticing your thoughts. When a negative thought appears, stop and change it to a positive one. You can also write down things you are thankful for every day. This habit trains your mind to focus on good things. Surrounding yourself with positive people also helps. Their energy and support can boost your mood and encourage you to stay positive. Remember, positive thinking is not about ignoring problems. It is about facing them with hope and confidence. It helps you stay calm and make better decisions. In life, challenges will always come. But with the power of positive thinking, you can overcome them and grow stronger. Start today. Think positively. Believe in yourself. Your life will change for the better.